Hi, my name's Adam. I'm speaking today on behalf of Midstate Basement. Midstate has been a staple in the community, has served thousands of customers, has a history of providing quality products for basement waterproofing and structural needs. Today I'd like to announce that as the owner of EcoSpect, we've unified. EcoSpect is taking over the brand of Midstate Basement. We're here to service Midstate Basement history and customers. We're here to service relationships with the same quality and standards that you would expect from EcoSpect. The EcoSpect team stands strong. We're super excited about the opportunity. It's going to allow EcoSpect to give more back to our community, serve extended customer bases, grow with our team, grow with our vendors. We're looking forward to being able to provide you with continued exceptional service and products.
With the dissolution of Midstate Basement Authorities, EcoSpect has agreed to continue to service the history of Midstate Basement customers. Feel comfortable, feel confident, we're here to help.